Hey guys, hope you are doing well and enjoying your Sunday with your family. So I am on my business trip right now in Cyprus, but the conference has been ended. So now just waiting for my flight that it will maybe happen on Tuesday. But now spending some time and visiting the country and also talking to other blockchain and crypto enthusiastic. So, my name is Mike Denkler and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news every day and keeping you updated and educated. So, let's check our favorite bubble chart and you see that most of the odds are correcting a little bit, but few of them, especially the Metaverse and few gaming coin social tokens are pumping well, like Decentralized Mana, Sand, Chiliz, and also Audio. Broke up engine, basic attention token, Zilliqa, and Zen as well. So good to see that they are pumping. And let's check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. We are at 74. This is in the greed zone, so we are hovering around these levels. But you remember just a month ago, Bitcoin investors were really fearful. That was a huge fear out there. The index went down to 20 as just during the summertime, and now we are back in the greed zone. So investors have more confidence in the market. So let's check what's happened with this Metaverse coins. So you are visiting CoinGecko.com. And let's go to categories and let's find out where are these. You find all the meme coins, Solana, Polkadot, Polygon, ecosystem, NFTs, Cosmos, governance, so all type of the tokens, and you have the Metaverse here, and you see that in the past 7 days, more than 500% the average price increase that the Metaverse token reached. And you see that we have Axie Infinity, but Axie Infinity more likely a gaming token, but Decentraland 300% up in the last 7 days. Engine is up, Sandbox is up, UFO is up. So you see nice Cube is up, so you can check these coins. But as they already pumped, so I don't think that that would be a good idea to jump on this train. So I would pick up another narrative that will be the next. Please share with me in the comment that which narrative do you think that will pump next. Also, please smash the like, push the bell, notification all, and let's go to our first news. Bitcoin eyes third weekly close about 60,000 as Ethereum fuels new altcoin market cap record. ETH hits all-time highs, giving altcoins their movement in the spotlight as Bitcoin consolidated just below its worst-case scenario monthly close target. So this is definitely huge, closing the third week about 60,000 US dollars. So that sounds really good. Some aggressive BTC buying on Coinbase right now, according to Will Clementi. You see that huge volume is coming in, and then some whales are buying on Coinbase. Okay, so altcoin market cap passes all-time highs. So also as Ethereum hit new all-time highs on Friday, helping the overall altcoin market cap reach new peaks of its own 1.47 billion US dollar. And also we saw a strong performance from Shiba Inu, but Shiba Inu is now consolidating. Okay, so let's go to our next news. That was the news, what I missed, but important news. Bitcoin wrecks gold market as investors pull over 40 billion US dollar from the biggest gold exchange traded fund. I don't think so that the whole amount will come into Bitcoin, but let's find out together. Gold ETFs have lost over 40.8 billion US dollar worth of investments this year, in what seems like a loss of interest in gold to cryptocurrency as the best hedge against inflation. Okay, so also you know that the Bitcoin futures ETF started with ProShares, and now we have VanEck and Verkire and few others. So maybe we have altogether 4 Bitcoin futures ETF launched, and then institution money started to flow into these asset classes. And also don't forget that Grayscale has his fund. The recent decision by the SEC to allow a future-based ETF in the United States could prompt further significant inflows in the coming weeks as US investors begin to add positions, according to CoinShares. So this is how the money is flowing from gold to Bitcoin and also after to other altcoins as investors are hedging. So according to JP Morgan, institutes are looking at Bitcoin as a better hedge against inflation than gold. So this is almost the same. There are tentative signs that the previous shift away from gold into Bitcoin seen during most of Q4 2020 at the beginning of 2021 has started re-emerging in recent weeks. So we see this coming back, that institutions are turning into Bitcoin. Next piece of news is Bitcoin needs to pull back hard this weekend in order to rally next week, says crypto analyst Tom Weiss. So guys, Tom Weiss is an ultra bearish guy, but now he's almost bullish recently. And let's quote, "I'm not too thrilled with this. However, we can now lower our breakout area to 63,000. If the price of Bitcoin goes above 63, we are going to break the prior swing high, 66,900. So he's watching 63, but also is there a pullback right into 55 and then bounce right of that. So also just dropping to 55,000 US dollar would be a good bouncing opportunity and then going back. So I think that's the low. I really think that if we fall to 55 or 56,000, that's a great buy the dip situation. So that would definitely great buying opportunity. My worst case scenario really is 52, 53,000. It's most my worst case scenario. I still see 100,000 US dollar around end of year. I'm expecting huge rally any minute. So he's expecting Bitcoin to drop to 55,000 US dollar and then bouncing there and rallying to 100,000 US dollar. So we'll see if we will have this buy the dip opportunity or not. Our next piece of news is Bitcoin is mathematical purity, says Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak. Okay, so let's quote from him. Look at the US dollar. The government can just create new dollars and borrow. It's like you never have it fixed like Bitcoin. Wozniak told. Bitcoin is a mathematical purity. There can never be another Bitcoin created. So this scarcity that adding value to Bitcoin. Let's quote again. If there is inflation, your house goes up 10x in 40 years and you think you are a smart investor. No, you have an old house, Wozniak articulated. You used to have a new house, but the government says 90% of its value is earnings and we are going to tax it. The government makes all of its taxes of inflation. So this is sad, but it's better you to understand this, why it's happening. Bitcoin doesn't even have a creator that we know of. It isn't run by some companies. It's just mathematical pure, and I believe nature over humans always, he added. Okay, and also the anonymity, you should be able to stand up and I say I did these transactions. Cool. So all these things, definitely check out this article. This is on Bitcoin Magazine because I think as great man like Steve Wozniak saying this about Bitcoin, this is definitely supporting, and I think other similar people and leaders will understand why Bitcoin is so important. Our next piece of news is Ethereum's new all-time high prepares ETH for continuation to 5,000 US dollar. And yes, let's see this. Okay, so Ethereum's new all-time high at 4,460. Bulls think BTC could hit 90,000 US dollar, so this is from Crypto Ad, and he thinks that there will be a pullback, and then with this Elliott wave movements, the price will go to 100,000. So this is definitely one of the scenarios. This is the Ethereum chart, and you see this looks really bullish for me. And we have these Elliott wave scenarios, so maybe there will be a pullback to 3,300 and then shooting up about 5,000. No need to put in the usual disclaimers. I am wrong when I am wrong, but I will be very surprised being wrong with this. 85,000 is the next major hurdle for BTC. Yes, check this out. So 85,000, the next major target you see on the chart. This is also a Fibonacci extension from the previous stop. And then this is the 1.618 that will be the resistance there, and it's pulled up from here. Okay, as a higher time frame signal of bullish trend continuation, we are about to see the 128-day moving average crossover about the 200-day moving average. In previous bull markets, the price has seen sustained rallies after such crossovers. On a technical market cycle and on-chain basis, we continue to believe that the next major area of difficulty for BTC will not hit until we approach 85,000-90,000. Ethereum ready for a continuation to 5,000 US dollar. So this is from Michael van den Poppe. Good support resistance flip and probably ready for continuation towards 5,000 US dollar. So we can expect some pullbacks to 3,800 and then bounce there and getting to about 5,000 US dollars. So these are definitely good news. Let's go and check our charts and let's see what Bitcoin is doing. So Bitcoin is consolidating in this upper trending channel. Now from the top reached almost the bottom and also forming a kind of bull flag, and it's preparing to break out from this bull flag, trading about 61,000 US dollar. I would be I think that this 55,000 is in the cards to dip these levels, and also that would be the bullish trend wouldn't be over yet with this. Let's check what Binance Coin is doing. So Binance Coin broke up our 500 US dollar levels and did a nice retest yesterday, and also is consolidating about 500. So this is definitely good from BNB. I think Cake, the Pancake Swap, the biggest decentralized exchange of the Binance ecosystem, is really undervalued. So I think it will follow BNB, but now it is in our buy zone again. So check out Ethereum. So Ethereum also consolidating now. This trend line is a little bit broken. So then we can see a pullback to maybe 44,000 or 3,900 US dollar levels, and then that would grant a nice buying opportunity. And yes, so we have other coins just consolidating. Matic also broke up nicely. I think Matic's next price target is at 1.7 US dollars, somewhere around here, the previous top, and then we will see a nice continuation from here. So I'm definitely bullish on odds, and also we see few odds are pumping occasionally. So definitely follow the crypto market and what these gaming and metaverse coins are doing out there. So thank you for watching this video. Please smash the like, subscribe to the channel, push the bell, notification all, and see you tomorrow. Also, please write in the comment section that what is your price prediction for Bitcoin at the end of the year, and what is your favorite altcoins. Thank you for watching this video. Definitely join our Telegram channel to get more information. You find it in the description, and also use other links for your advantage. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.